5 minutes faster. Yeah.
Which it sounds like most of that benefit was more TPS.
Wait, it was
No, wait.
most of that benefit was
No.
just doing monitors
Oh, no,
better.
no, monitors faster. Never mind.
Yeah.
Damn.
But I would definitely benefit from more TPS.
That's kind of wild. That just monotwist was the only difference. Because you really, I guess you knew what to do.
I already knew what to do for everything else, yeah.
Yeah.
And I could have done other things better, right? This could go
Yeah.
faster, but... Yeah, sub 3 might be the target, and that might be it, right? Until better input.
Keybinds, yeah.
Or without a major change.
We
right?
already have keybinds.
Milo!
Yeah, I know.
Honestly, though, you could do that, Luna. Like, that's not actually insane.
What, sub 3?
To use Milo's program.
Oh, I have not looked at it yet.
Oh! You should definitely look at it. I don't know if you should use it, but you should at least look at it.
Yeah. Man, I have to keep this browser tab open until uploading completes. No.
Yeah.
Just use intuitive, what the fuck is this? That was intuitive. I don't know, what were you complaining about at 306? You complaining about my RKT parity, that was intuitive. Just because it's intuitive doesn't mean it's easy.
Often quite the opposite.
Oh, you're complaining about the berry. Okay.
Oh. Oh, nope. I will not color scheme this time.
Color scheme, color scheme.
I just fixed it.
Oh.
Unless I actually... No, I fixed it.
Right, shall I even bother making a leaderboard submission?
Just put it on there yourself.
I don't
Yeah.
make leaderboard submissions for my own solves.
Right.
No, just mode abuse.
Yeah.
I do it all.
We
mode
have it
abuse.
in the commit history, right? If we just look at the solves.csv
Yeah.
history, you can see there's only a
Yes,
couple
how
of
do I
like,
do this?
fluke things where some other edit was made.
I go to solves.csv, which is somewhere.
It is a mystery. You know what?
Need this.
Okay, going back to the grip idea. Imagine the grip group, and the point stabilizer of one grip
Grip group.
has an orbit of 12 points. And those 12 points form that group I posted. Well, locally, with my old definition, that orbit of 12 splits into two orbits of 6, which are the two S6s that are linked.
Mm-hmm.
That would do what I want.
Hmm.
It may even be double coverable.
Oh. How exciting.
It won't be geometric though.
No, it really is.
Also, I actually don't need any point stabilizers in that. That was a lie.
Oh. Fair enough.
Holy split.
I'm kind of reassured that that was a similar time, though, actually.
Means you don't need to solve it again, right?
No, well, it means that the things that are going to get better are literally me recognizing things better. Or literally finding better ways to do things. It's not like I wasn't skill issue.
It's like you're saying that your skill level with the current techniques and
Is this like yeah?
I-
Like that just is the level.
okay,
If I want to get better, I have to
you
be
have to actually be intentional.
pairing significantly more efficiently, right? Or
I
have to be actually
it
making
means you don't
active
need to
changes
just solve
the
more.
method. Exactly. Yeah.
That's very fair, actually. Yeah.
Which is kind of how it feels like it should be, based on how the solves have been feeling. I feel like I've been making some mistakes that maybe add up to those 17 minutes, but
Yeah.
not. No, it's kind of like, is this actually just going to be 2.5 hours? And then.
Yeah.
Keep going, but.
I don't know. This is a pretty good solve. Let's hope I don't mess up other U-perms. Or a monoflip. That's fine.
Bonk.
Monoflip's
Committed.
trivial. All right.
I did it.
Hell yeah.
I'm not going to fight Timon for this. Or how do you pronounce that? Timon?
Timeout?
Timon?
I thought it was Timon. I'm
Oh,
not sure
makes
though.
sense.
I'm not
I've been
Polish
pronouncing it
either.
No.
Timon.
I'm not fighting him for the 2 to the 5. Not yet.
Yeah, I think there's the Shakespeare character whose name is Timon
812!
and is pronounced
PB.
Timon.
Not world record.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, I forgot to upload my last PB. Oh well. Okay, well, yay, PB.